Hi, I'm Sandy.
Welcome to my channel, Sandy's Yellow Dining Table. Keep watching, see my videos, subscribe my channel, like and share. So let's get going. Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Festive season is coming along. It's round the corner. It's beautiful weather. The weather has become really nice, except for this COVID time, which makes you need to be very careful. So don't worry, be very careful and avoid mixing with a lot of people. But of course, you can enjoy with family. So, what better than having some chocolates in this festive season? So, I'm going to tell you about the best chocolates, the best homemade chocolates I had in North Delhi. Trust me, these are the best homemade chocolates I have ever had. Okay, so let's go. I'll show you. Oh, what a beautiful pack! Can't wait to open. So these are Chokery, and wow, look at this, such a beautiful packing, freshly made homemade chocolates. I love this color, oh that sheen. And you know something, moment I've opened this pack, there's a beautiful aroma of coffee. Oh wow, it's too good, too beautiful. Can't wait to try. Should I try this one or this one? Okay, let me go in for this one. See? So, I'm going to try this one and I'll tell you how it tastes. But first, let me tell you, this aroma is amazing. This little coffee aroma and this shiny glaze thing, if you can see, oh, it's beautiful. It's amazing. Let me try. You can see the soft melted center, the core chocolatey soft. It's yummy. It's amazing. Seriously, I've never had such delicious, some beautiful flavor here, you know. Homemade chocolates. I've never liked actually homemade chocolates, but this one is amazing. Must try for you all. So go ahead, do try. Have fun. Be safe in this festive season. Enjoy. There's so much more to the menu. They have a lovely and exciting menu. Oh, I've finished this one. Can't wait to try this one also. This one has a little some berry flavor inside, and the same, you know, melted some berry flavor chocolate inside. Amazing. And they have whole lot of very interesting menus. You can order cakes, cupcakes, tarts, cookies. A perfect gift for Diwali or any festive season. Buy those for your friends, relatives, brothers, sisters. What better than these chocolates, cookies and cakes?